Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we are gonna find API key for OpenAI, and we are already in the platform. You can see, and you can directly just log in, or you are new here, you just sign up. And this create option in the create a workflow option will arrive after the API reference section. If you are just it's a brand new account, you can just create a new workflow. I have already done that, and you can see it's the link platform.openai.com. This is the official link, and don't fall into scams and all stuff. So let's dive in. You can see we are in the agent builder, and in the left section menu you can go to the API key. Here I already have an existing API test key, so you can just go to create a new secret key, give it a name. Here I choose it as default, set the permissions, and connect to a project. It's a default project, and then I will generate. It's already generated. You can see it's an instant process. Just copy the thing. It's super simple to do. Paste it somewhere securely. I will do it in the WhatsApp. So that's it. So thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, you can open to the comment section.